Hey everyone, it's Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Neo 2032 panel. This procedure will work with the 2016 and the 2064 and the 2128. Okay guys, so let's get to it. Alright, so in order to default this system, all you really need is a little jumper. This is all you need. So if I do *8 as asking for the installer's code, it should be 5555. As you can see, it doesn't work. Keep in mind guys, when you do reset your panel, it will erase everything in it, so you will have to program or reprogram your zones. So once you get your little jumper, I'm going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to unplug one of the leads. If you have something plugged into PGM1, you're going to remove it temporary, and zone 1, you're going to remove it temporary. So as you can see, I got one on PGM1 and zone 1. So now I'm not going to connect the battery, I'm just going to connect the power back up. If you unplugged yours, just plug it back in. I got a little stopwatch here. We have to wait a good minute. I'm just going to fast forward this part. Okay, so we got a minute. We're going to disconnect the power once again. Remove the jumper. This is the time you plug back in your wires in zone 1 and PGM1 if there was any. So once you connect those back up, now we're going to put the battery back in. Connect your power back up. Let your system reboot. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to enroll this keypad. All you got to do is press any button. Just press 1. Okay, so now it's telling me all my zones are open. Obviously you could check, I don't have any zones connected. We'll do *2, lost clock. That's okay. So let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's working again. Just typing in anything there. So now let's try the installer's code, *8. Let's do 5555, and there you go. So guys, that's how you do a factory reset on the Neo panels. One more thing I want to mention to you guys, since I'm in here, I'm gonna lock the panel, because by rebooting it, if you're gonna get about 10 clicks, that means your panel's locked, and this procedure will not work for you. So I'm going to unplug this. I'm going to unplug the battery. I'm going to disconnect it. So when I plug this back in, you should be able to hear about 10 clicks. So that sound that you just heard, if yours does that, that means your panel is locked out. You will not be able to factory reset it. Okay guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. Hit those thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching.